If you've been wondering which templates are actually profitable and how you can start making real passive income with them, this video will show you the proven winners that Etsy buyers love. Stick with me until the end because I'm not just sharing the 7 templates, I'm also going to give you the roadmap to create them and start selling faster than you think. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen, and I started creating digital products back in 2020 with zero experience. And now I teach people just like you how to build profitable online shops with Canva templates and digital products. If you're ready to learn which template makes consistent money, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most evergreen money makers. Wedding invitation templates. Every year, millions of couples look for beautiful, affordable wedding invitations, and Canva makes it ridiculously simple for you to design stunning, customizable templates. Sellers on Etsy are pulling in over $1,000 a month just from a few wedding templates priced between $10 to $15 each, thanks to wedding season and year-round engagements. Even if you're not a professional designer, you can use Canva's pre-made elements and fonts to create something that's beautiful and profitable. By the way, if you're stuck on what products to make, I have a free guide with 500 plus digital product ideas that's going to get you out of creative paralysis and into action. The link's in the description, grab it now. Number 2 in our list is editable business card templates. Small business owners, freelancers, and even students constantly look for trendy, unique business card designs that they can customize. I've seen shops with just 10 well-designed card templates clearing over 1,200 per month. And the best part is it's a one-time design that sells over and over and over again. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. A clean, modern style with easy to edit text is often enough to stand out. Number 3 on our list is a no-brainer: social media templates for small businesses. Think Instagram post packs, story templates, reel covers. Every business owner wants their feed to look professional, but they don't want to pay a designer $500 to make it happen. I know sellers who build 5-figure monthly shops with just Instagram packs priced between $15 to $27, especially if you niche them down for coaches, real estate agents, or beauty brands. If you want to dominate this, focus on a specific niche and design 20 to 50 templates that feel cohesive and branded. Now, if you'd rather not spend hours creating templates, my Digital Goldmine PLR membership gives you done-for-you digital products every month that you can rebrand and resell as your own. It's literally plug and play. I'll link it below if you want to start earning faster. Number 4 in our list is planners and journals. These are the ultimate evergreen products. From daily planners to gratitude journals, people love downloading beautifully designed printable planners they can use right away. A single $15 to $20 planner can bring in 1,000 plus per month if it's niched, like ADHD planners, homeschool planners, or fitness journals. And don't stress about perfection. The value is in the organization and style, not a degree in graphic design. Number 5 in our list is resume and cover letter templates. And trust me, they are hot sellers right now. Job seekers need clean, professional resumes that stand out, and Canva makes editing them easy. I've seen top shops earn 3 to 5K per month selling just a handful of stylish and professional resumes. Focus on clean, modern layouts with customizable sections. Job seekers will love you for it. Number 6 in our list is party invitation templates, which is one of my favorites. This is from birthdays to baby showers. These never go out of style. People are constantly hosting parties and they want something cute, personalized, and easy to edit without paying a designer $100. Some Etsy sellers make over $1,000 per month just from a handful of theme invitation templates priced between $5 to $12 each, especially around popular holidays and events. You can make one invitation design and sell it year round. Think birthday parties, bachelorette weekends, or holiday get togethers. And finally, number 7 in our list is pricing guide templates for service based businesses. Coaches, photographers, and freelancers all need beautiful pricing sheets to send to clients, and they'd rather buy a ready made template than create one from scratch. I've seen shops that specialize in service based templates make over $1,500 a month with just 10 to 15 simple pricing guide designs priced between $9 to $17. This is a niche with less competition but huge demand. If you create a few high quality templates, you can dominate quickly. If these 7 Canva templates don't fire you up, I don't know what will. The best part is you can start small, upload just one of these templates, and still make hundreds per month. And it only scales from there. And if you want done for you products ready to rebrand and sell, check out my Digital Goldmine PLR membership. I'll leave the link in the description below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out future videos where I share exactly how to create and market these products for massive passive income.